What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Harris here from Catfluence. I'm here with Elliot Olivia. They're somewhere around. I'm sure they'll make an appearance at some point in this video. But I'm making this video for you today to kind of go over the Litter Genie, which I was just sent as part of the LG 500. Litter Genie is trying to promote their products and get it out to some influencers and other cats and accounts like that. So I was happy to be a part of it. I've actually never used this before, like most of you probably, for cleaning up litter. Usually scoop it into old grocery store bags, but Litter Genie is a little different. It makes the process a little easier, and so it doesn't stink up your trash as badly. So I'm going to walk through that process a little bit. Like I said, this is my first time doing it, so we'll see how it goes, but let's kind of jump into it. Alright, what's up, Olivia? Alright, so as you can see, here is the Litter Genie, recommended by Jackson Galaxy, Cat Daddy. I'm sure you've probably heard of him. So I'm going to take this thing off. Just trying not to rip it, but I think I don't really have a choice at this point. Pop it open. There we go. So take the top off there. As you can see inside, it comes with a scooper, which I already have one, but it's nice to have an extra. Thing of bags, got an extra one here as well. So we'll try these out. Also a storage bin for the scooper, which I have as well, but it's good to have. And then a set of instructions, which I will definitely be following because I'm not very handy. So we'll kind of just go through step one. Insert the scoop holder in the grooves on either side. Insert the scoop holder on either side. In the grooves on either side. Definitely not good at this kind of stuff. We'll keep trying till we get it. Aha, that's what it means. Here we go, one step down. All right, now we're on to inserting the refill. So let's start with this one. Pull the refill's plastic tab and remove the outer rim. I believe this is the plastic tab. I will remove that. Dispose of that later. Oh, what's up, Elliot? You want to say hi to the camera? Nope, he's running off again. I don't know if he came in the shot there or not. Alright. Remove the outer rim. Done. Start at the notch left by the tab. Pull about 1 foot of film. Then push down the film to the center of the rim and tie a knot at the bottom. Oh boy. Oh, I think nope. Okay. Tie a knot at the bottom. Okay. the lid, pull the foam. Oh God, that's the flip right on that side. There's the refill so it sits on the lid. Okay, I think I got there. So what I had to do was lift this thing up, create an opening, and insert the plastic into it, kind of hold it into place. So this is kind of stuck in there now, which I think is by the design, but I don't think he's doing something right here. I don't think I did it enough. Aha! Needed to go. You need to pull that thing up. Alrighty, like I said, not very handy. Pull that thing out, put this thing back in, reinsert that. I think that is what I'm supposed to be doing. Cool. Pop that bad boy into place. I think now we're all set. Now we're ready to use it. Easy as 1, 2, 3. See about that. Alright, so now it's time to actually clean the litter. For this example, I will go ahead and use their scooper. So here's what we do. Scoop the litter. Whew. You guys had a few stinkies today, didn't we? What's up, Elliot? Trying to get on camera? Whew. This is a full one today. Ooh, we might need to do a second bag here. I think we may have to go ahead and pull this. So as you can see, we got a full container here that'll happen with 2 cats. Take it easy, Elliot. Let's see what happens here. Whoa! Now we puts them into a little singular baggie. It's still kind of pretty good. And then there's that. So now it is sealed in there. Now I think we are going to go ahead. All right, moving along. All right, scoop that in. Keep it moving. Probably just going to fast forward through this in the video. Whew. Ooh, man. All right. Oh, so as I was saying, there's quite a bit poop accumulated from the day. So that actually took two bags worth. I'm gonna wrap up here with the second one now that I know what I'm doing. So pop this bad boy open again. Nope. Do it right again. Definitely advice to anybody doing this, read the instructions, watch some YouTube videos on how to do it. Not necessarily my own, because obviously I'm an amateur. Alright, so as you can see here, now I have a little less full bag, and I can use this little device here to cut the bag. Well, you guys see the idea behind this, so you don't necessarily have to cut it each time. You could leave it, let it fill up, maybe over the course of a day or two. But for somebody like me, and you have 2 or more cats, they definitely may fill it up pretty quickly, so just be mindful of that with the bags that you're using. Alright, let's cut this. There we go. As you can see, cut the little baggie here. We'll dispose of this later. Alrighty. To set it up for the next one again. Pull some more of this out. Kind of do what we did before, tie another little knot here. Set. And that is that. So wrap it up here. Alrighty. So that's that. That wasn't the greatest review. I'm working on this. I'm trying to get better on my YouTube game. Normally, if you know me, I'm a digital marketer. I'm normally behind the scenes. Try to put myself on camera a little more, get involved in the content creation myself. That was a cool product, definitely going to use it moving forward. It's definitely better than needing to rely on grocery bags, especially trying to kind of eliminate the amount of waste that I'm using. So this definitely helps with that. It's definitely a more efficient way to do that. So again, thank you to Litter Genie for the product. Look forward to working with you guys in the future.